So you get an email that has a link that says, oh, you need to read this story. And then you click on that link, and so you read the story. But within the story, there are more links. And before long, an hour has disappeared from your life, and you have no idea where it went, because we have entirely too much information out there. So we are bombarded and also losing time. So that's one reason why so many people feel overwhelmed. So if that's what you're feeling, believe me, you are not alone. So a lot of people feel all of this overwhelm. And some folks say, well, you know what? I don't mind feeling overwhelmed. I can deal with it. That's okay. Or I really like working under pressure. I don't mind feeling that kind of stress. But what some people don't realize is that when you are in a stressful mode, there's a hormone, a chemical called cortisol that's released. Now, cortisol is good in small amounts. So if you have a little bit of stress a few times a week, that little shot of cortisol gets you going. But if it's cortisol being shot all day long, every single day, then you start to develop a few problems in your body. Now, if you have just a little bit in there, it's not so bad. But when you start releasing cortisol all day long, every single day, eventually it starts to spread until you've got this blackness in there. Now, cortisol causes food cravings, which eventually leads to overeating. Cortisol causes high blood pressure. It also disrupts brain function. So the more you get overwhelmed, the more you're actually shutting down your body. So for those folks who say that they work really well under pressure, they can up to a certain time point, and then their bodies start to wear down. That's why it's really important to take as much overwhelm out of your life as possible.